Hi all, welcome to beautiful Alleppey houseboats. There is no special arrangement to shoot this video, presenting how exactly this houseboat looks when you check in. This is the traditional unique styled one bedroom deluxe houseboat with upper deck. It is best suitable for honeymooners or a couple with a small kid. This is the front area of this houseboat with the wooden furniture. This is where we see when we first enter to this houseboat. Now let's go to the bedroom. It is having a comfortable bed with attached bathroom. The air condition is also available in the bedroom. The flower decoration seen here is optional and it can do on advance request. This is the spacious bathroom. The bathroom is with a bathtub. The bathtub can use without filling the water. Please note that the bathtub can use without filling the water. Now let's go to the upper deck and the dining. The dining table is on the upper deck itself. This upper deck is having two sides, the front and the back. On the front we will provide a small bed where you can sit, relax and enjoy the beauty of the backwater. On the back side it is used as a sun deck. From the both side, you will get a good view of Alleppey backwaters. This is the view of backwater from the upper deck. When the houseboat is traveling, we will get a better view than this. This is the view from the backside upper deck. For any questions regarding this houseboat, you can call or WhatsApp to the number showing here. We assure you the safety and security and also best-in-class backwater travel experience. Thank you for watching.